Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today I'm at Toronto downtown. It was a 1-hour drive to come and we stayed 3 hours early to see the fireworks. Since it was New Year Eve, a lot of cars were there with us. I came at Harvard Front. There's a really big lake in the middle, and the fireworks are going to be happening in the sky. And I was walking around downtown, and there was so many people over here. There was a lot of cops as well since there were so many people. Wow guys, look at the crowds in shops and walking areas. Downtown is buzzing with energy today. The city over here is lit up like a dream. And it makes it better because the CN Tower is right over here too. We're walking around Yonge Street and it's one of the busiest streets in Toronto. And guys, look how many people are waiting to see the fireworks over here. And guys, as you saw before at the CN Tower, it was lit up all glory for today. Yeah. This was the second lake. We were in the other lake right beside it. This lake was crowded with so many people waiting for fireworks. At this lake, Sugar Beach comes and Musical Garden. I did not expect to see this much of a crowd. Even the sidewalks were packed. And it was raining a lot too as well, and a lot of people had umbrellas. And as you can see over here, it looks pretty packed, and it was. Everybody in the street that are walking and coming this direction are coming to see the fireworks. A lot of people are at the CN Tower to stay there for the New Year's. And then people realized they're happening over here, so a lot of people came quickly. And guys, the fireworks started! A lot of people were standing up and a lot of people were standing in their car. So many people were recording. And guys, the crowd was so big. And as you could hear, a lot of people were saying Happy New Year. Everybody was enjoying watching the fireworks. And it was New Year's, new vibes, so join me as we explore downtown. As Toronto was the biggest party night of the year. The whole crowd was yelling. I'm so grateful to be spending this New Year Eve in this amazing city. And join me as I make some unforgettable memories in the amazing city. Fireworks were made in 1951, but they implemented it in Canada at 2019, July 1st. And as they're going on, fireworks happen in New Year's and Canada Day, and it's special occasions. And the fireworks ended right now. They were about 10 minutes long. A lot of people were saying Happy New Year's to each other. Everybody was so happy. And getting back home, we had to wait 2 hours before actually driving, since there was so much traffic. I hope you guys had much as fun watching the video as I did making it. Happy 2025, everyone! Now that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining me on this epic New Year's Eve adventure. And I hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe. Bye!